Hello, I'm sitting here in the Princess Theater, day one of the Caribbean Cruises event to come to an end. We're about to see the show. Here's a brief rundown of what we did today. I smoked a cigar in the morning and got all dizzy and lightheaded. We took a taxi cab to Brooklyn. We waited an hour to get on the boat. We finally got on the boat, and we ate. What else did you do? Then we walked around the boat.
And then we ate some more.
And then we ate some more. Thank you.
We ate everything in sight.
And we ate everything in sight. And
No,
we
we
walked around the
didn't.
boat some more, and we figured out how to use the internet. And we got some great views of New York City as the boat pulled out of the harbor in Red Hook. I was looking for Eddie Carbone from View from the Bridge, but he wasn't there. And now we're just waiting for the show to start after having, what did I have? I had a crawfish crock pot for dinner. It wasn't good. It wasn't great. It was decent. The bananas Foster flambe that I had for dessert was significantly better. And now we're waiting for the show to start. And what about after the show? I don't know. I'll probably go to sleep. All right. See you tomorrow. Bye.